Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can filter selected comments on TikTok apps. So if you want to filter comments on your TikTok video but only want to filter selected comments, you can follow the steps right here that I'm about to tell you in this video. First, you can open the TikTok apps on your phone. Tap on TikTok, and then here you can first go to your profile, click on this profile button, go to the three lines icon at the top right corner and tap on the settings and privacy. And under the settings in here you can go directly to the privacy, so just tap on that and scroll down until you find the interactions and tap on commands. So under the commands in here there will be this filter specific keywords in here. If you want to only filter selected comments or specific keywords are here, you need to click on this, and here you can need to enable this. So recent comments with specified keywords on your videos will be hidden unless you approve them. You can enable this, and here you can add keywords. So for example, you can add bad word in here, a certain bad word or a certain keyword that you might think offensive. For example, I'm going to just go with harm. You can hit on enter. Here you can add more than one keyword, or let's just find, okay, add bully in here, or any offensive word that you want. For example, fat. You can add anything, and when you're done you can just go back. So whenever someone comments on your videos consisting of this keyword, their comment will be filtered or hidden. But if you want to filter all of the commands, you can enable this filter or commands, so that recent comments on your video will be hidden unless you approve them. So that's like the comments won't show on your video unless you approve them. So that's all for me. That's how you can filter selected comments or keyword on your TikTok videos. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.